Welcome back to Profitify, your go-to space for simplifying the world of finance. Today, we're demystifying the term K when used in reference to money. It's a term that's thrown around quite a bit, but do you really know what it means? By the end of this video, it'll be as clear as day. Have you ever been left scratching your head when someone casually drops a K when discussing money? It's not just a random letter, it carries a significant meaning in the financial world. Get ready to uncover the mystery behind this seemingly simple term. First up, let's decipher the K. When you see $10K or 100K, the K stands for thousand, so $10K really means $10,000. It's a quick and efficient way to express large numbers without spelling out all the zeros. This use of K originated from the Greek word kilo, which means 1,000. Over time, it found its way into financial lingo, making it easier to talk about large numbers. To make it more relatable, consider this. You're saving for a dream vacation and have put aside $5K. That's $5,000 you've saved, a significant step towards your goal. Understanding K helps you navigate financial conversations with ease and precision. Whether you're budgeting, investing, or setting financial targets, comprehending the concept of K is crucial. It aids in setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and celebrating milestones. By breaking down large sums into manageable chunks, you're better equipped to make informed financial decisions. Despite its simplicity, K can lead to confusion if misunderstood. Mistaking $10K for $10, for example, could have serious implications. That's why it's vital to ensure clarity in all financial discussions and double-check everything. Now that you're fluent in the language of K, here are some tips to use it effectively. Use K when setting savings goals or discussing income to simplify communication. Always pay attention to context to avoid misunderstandings. Remember, clarity is key. Use budgeting tools and apps that automatically handle conversions using K notation for an easier experience. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the mystery of K in money. From its origins to its practical applications, you're ready to navigate financial discussions like a pro. Remember, mastering the basics is the first step towards financial success. Keep tuning into Profitify for more insights that empower you to take control of your finances. If this video has been helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Drop us a comment on the finance topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, happy profiting!